This tree is a new tree species to me at least, a Stephanandra. A deciduous tree with really nice interesting foliage, a lot of strong shoots. So in this video we're going to style it and set it up for success as a bonsai tree. Working with material like this, there's always a step-by-step approach, and the first step is that we want to have a feeling for where the first roots appear. I'll remove a bit of the top layer of the soil until the first roots so that I can see how big the trunk exactly is. Actually, there's quite a good root flare, a nembari with roots growing to all directions, so we don't have to take more soil off. Then the second step will be to decide on the front of the tree. So the way to approach that really is just to have a look at your tree, rotate it around, also change the angle, and so that you have some idea of options. So I'm looking at the way that the roots anchor the tree to the soil. So if I would twist it like that, there's a root missing here, but there is a nice flow with this main branch, for example. And I'm also looking at where the main branches grow. So all these little things I can move around, prune away and wait for new shoots. The main branch is this one. So if you want to keep that in the design, I think we'll have to tilt the tree a little bit like that. And that gives us two options, the front being right here, so it moves in that direction. Or front right here, that it moves in this direction. So I'm thinking that you're looking at the front right now. So more or less this angle. So we don't have to change anything in the pot right now. I don't want to repot the tree today, but knowing that this will be more or less the angle and more or less the front as well, we can start making decisions for which branches to keep and which ones to prune away. Now obviously there's about 20 branches growing right here straight towards you, so we can prune a lot of these away to open up this as the front of the tree. And for sure we'll keep this branch and find younger branches that can extend it in the future. Alright, so I positioned this as the angle for now, and on the back side there's a few larger branches that are also quite straight, so for sure this one I want to remove as well. So with these new trees I always like the approach of pruning out the things that I won't be able to use for sure. So something straight like that can easily be taken out. I don't have to give it much consideration. I think the next step is to do the branch selection. So I'll take you close up so that you can see a bit of the structure of the tree as well. And we'll start cleaning up this as the front of the tree. Because this tree species, the Stephanandra, is a really strong, fast grower, these shoots just can grow in like this for just in a few weeks' time. So if we prune a lot of these things away, in the next early spring it will explode with new growth. So it's very easy to develop this plant. So to develop a few branches into thicker branches, we have to keep a few, let those grow out so that they can gain some thickness. And all the other shoots that the tree keeps on pushing out, we'll have to prune away several times a year. So today the initial styling. In the next spring I can consider repotting this. The planting soil isn't really good, so I'm eager to plant it in bonsai soil.
Deciding on the design of a bonsai isn't always easy, especially when a tree is as full and overgrown as this plant. Try to apply the pruning guidelines we just mentioned to your own trees. And if you are interested to learn more about these techniques, consider enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. Here, expert teachers explain the relevant techniques, and you can ask them questions. For a free lesson, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.
So I brought a few bonsai pots with me. This is the first one. A blue one, which is a little small perhaps. I really like this one. I don't think white is the right color. And this would also work actually. But in the end we chose this rather deep green pot because I feel it really fits the tree well.
Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.